Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one, and this is a card, which is going to focus on the background. There we go. It's a card where I've coloured in the centre. So this is the Abigail Rose Designer Series paper with the cottage rose stamped on it, and I wanted to just pick out some of the flowers and just use them as a pop of colour on what is quite a simple card. So I've got crumb cake here and early espresso, because crumb cake is the colour and actually it just blends nicely with my background. So I've already pre-cut my pieces. So I've cut a piece of card, taken a sheet of cardstock, cut it in half and scored it in half. And then I've got a piece of early espresso, which is 2 centimetres shorter and narrower. And then my piece of Designer Series paper that I can't pick up, that is 0.5 centimetre shorter and narrower. And that's just going to sit over the top. And I did spend a little bit of time looking for what I thought was a nice image that I could pick out. And this time, my colours, so I went with Blackberry Bliss for this one. And I'm going to go Cherry Cobbler to see how that looks. Oh, let's zoom the correct way. And yeah, so the stamping has been done for you. So you just needed to do the colouring. So I'm going to start with the dark. And I'm just going to follow where those sort of shaded lines are on the pre-printed image. And then come in with the light and just go over them. Not all the way to the edges, because I want to get a bit of a blend going on. But that's the thing about our blends and alcohol markers, is that they will go over coloured paper. See? Oh look, I needed a little bit of dark there. And you just keep blending out. And it is such a lovely technique. And like I say, the image has already been printed for you. And you just need to colour it in. So I'm going to finish off my flower. And you could do all of them. The lovely Patty Bennett, who is pattystamps.com, she has spent a lot of time and she has coloured whole sheets of this paper. So I'm just coming back in with the dark again, just to get a little bit more depth going on. But yeah, she has done entire sheets. She's done backgrounds, all sorts. So go and check out her blog. Yeah, pattystamps.com. And she does remarkable work. Oh look, there is a flower bud just there. Oh no, wrong lids. There we go. And then I'm just going to do the same with shaded spruce and the leaves. So a little bit of dark and then some light over the top. And that is as simple as it is. And I'm hoping you can see the sort of the realism in this flower. Oh look, my nail polish almost matches. But yeah, it's gorgeous. Okay, let me zoom back out again a little bit. There we go, and then I can assemble the card, because that's how simple it is. Oh, I'm very pleased that didn't bleed through onto this. And then I've just cut some little scraps. So this was 4.5 by 5.5 centimetres, 4 by 3. So that would be 1 3/4 by 2 1/8. Yeah, oh, I haven't put the lid on that one. And this is Cottage Rose, so I went with You're Positively the Greatest, which fits just nicely. So I'm going to grab a big block, line it up, get my early espresso, and hope I stamp that reasonably straight. Oh, I did! Hooray for me! Thought that was going to be wibbly. Thought I was going to have to use the emergency reverse. The emergency bag. And then, obviously, it's kind of determined by where you've stamped your image. So on this one, my image was more over to that one side, but I'm going to put it like that, so my image is central at the top. I could, of course, put that perfectly in the middle, but I don't want to. I want to put it offset, so I'm just making sure that in the top corner I've got the same border amount. And then the same down here, make sure that I've got the same amount of border, and that is as simple as it is. So it's exactly the same pattern paper, cardstock, base, everything, aligned slightly differently, coloured with different blends. I love them. So simple. Look at that, 5 minutes, goodness me, and done. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.